Hey guys, today I am going to cook nga Atoiba. Nga Atoiba is a fish curry in Manipuri style. Nga Atoiba thongba is one of the famous delicacies of Manipur. You will find these dishes on every special occasion or feast. Normally it is prepared from Rohu, katla or sareng fish cut into small cubes. First, let's see the ingredients. Here I have taken a Rohu fish, 600 gram cut into small pieces. Cooker chives, few leaves of them. Green peas, half cup of them. Spring onion, few leaves. Culantro, few leaves. Coriander, few leaves. Coriander and Cumin powder 2 teaspoon. Fish masala 1 teaspoon. Red chilli powder 2 teaspoon. Mustard seed oil. Cumin seeds 1 teaspoon. Haribob 2 slice pieces. Fresh garlic paste 1.5 teaspoon. Black pepper half teaspoon. Turmeric powder 1 teaspoon. Hing 1/4 of teaspoon. Bay leaves 2 pieces of them. Ginger paste 1.5 teaspoon. In Manipuri, hooker chive is known as Maroi Napakpi. Culantro is known as Awa Padikong. Let's marinate the fish. Add some chopped hooker chives, some chopped culantro leaves and chopped onions. Now also add some more spices. Add half teaspoon of cumin and coriander powder, half teaspoon of red chilli powder, cumin seed, half teaspoon of ginger paste, half teaspoon of garlic paste, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of mustard oil, then mix it well. Carefully mix it. Add turmeric powder, let's heat the pan and add 4 teaspoons of oil. Make the oil hot and add 2 bay leaves. Add cumin seeds. Fry until it crackles, then add chopped onion. Add hing. Stir well and fry the onions until it turns to golden color. Add garlic and ginger paste. And stir it well for a couple of minutes. Add the fish. Slowly and gently stir and mix with the onions, ginger garlic paste. Here we need to stir carefully so we don't crush the fish pieces more. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, let's add tomatoes and green peas, fish masala, red chilli powder, cumin coriander powder, Haribob, slowly and gently stir and mix with masalas. Add turmeric powder, cover and cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, open the lid, add 1.5 glass of water, simmer until it started to boil and boil it for 5 minutes. Then we will add culantro and spring onions. We will stir it again and simmer it. Then add salt to taste. Simmer until peas and tomatoes are cooked and all the gravy is reduced. Add black pepper. Now let's check how the gravy is. You can see a good amount of gravy has reduced. Peas and tomatoes are also cooked. We will simmer for more time to reduce more gravy. Almost all gravy is reduced. Let's garnish with coriander and finish it off. After adding coriander, put off the flame. Nga Atoiba is ready. Normally Nga Atoiba is served with steamed rice. Bye bye guys. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and share the channel. See you on my next video.